Good morning, viewers. We have gathered here today, the 2nd of February 2025, on the campus of the Calcutta Rowing Club, where we are going to witness the Vintage and Classic Car Rally organized by the Automobile Association of Eastern India, Calcutta. The rally will begin in a short while from now. In the meantime, we can see that there are quite a number of vintage and classic cars which have lined up here to take part in the rally. So there are many interesting models belonging to the bygone era, and they have come here to take part in this vintage car rally. They are diverse in design, appearance, and in their functionality. So we hope to experience a very interesting rally here today. So this morning we have here with us Mr. Amit Ray, working president of the Automobile Association of Eastern India, Durgapur branch. So I would like to ask Mr. Amit Ray, so what is your opinion about this classic and vintage car rally?
See, the basic opinion, what should I emphasize, that it's a beauty of people who are having very classical and noble idea for maintaining these kind of old cars in a new form. And obviously, I really appreciate the effort behind all these people who are maintaining these kind of cars for long years. And it's a unique and very innovative idea for Automobile Association to create an awareness among the people of Calcutta and a very beautiful presentation of all these cars and a very noble competition.
Okay, thank you.